Max Profix Pro review and $2,225 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from Art of Marketing blog, and this is my Max Profix Pro review. Now, this is an amazing must-have product for anyone that is already running an online business, wants to start an online business, and even for complete newbies that have no idea where to start. In this review video right now, I'm going to show you exactly how to make hundreds of dollars even if you are brand new to all of this, okay? Now, my bonus is custom made, and the first free bonuses that I'm going to give you are exclusive, and they will show you exactly how to start from scratch. More about that in the end of this video. But right now, let me share my screen for you and let me show you exactly what it is, what you're getting, all of the upsells, OTOs, bonuses, and everything else, okay? So, let me share my screen, and first of all, let's go to Fiverr and let's check how much money you can make even if you have no idea where to start, what to do, how to run an online business, what to promote, etc. Okay, so you can use Max Profix Pro to simply deliver simple services on sites like Fiverr and charge hundreds of dollars for, okay? So with Max Profix Pro, you're getting 3 different pieces of software that will allow you to create websites, generate traffic, and create funnels, okay? So you can do this for yourself, obviously, and we're gonna jump into it in a second, but even if you have no idea what to do, you can just offer a simple service on Fiverr, and as you can see, people are charging hundreds of dollars. So essentially someone just tells you what they want, you deliver it to them, and you can charge them hundreds of dollars. So I will create a clean modern website for 118 euro, which is like $125. I will build a responsive WordPress website. You have another website here, so we have 280, 123, 85, 280 again, 114, 142. So you can essentially make an easy 3 figures just using this piece of software and delivering websites to other people. And obviously websites is just one of the things. You will be also creating funnels, content for people. Content is huge, especially on sites like Fiverr, because people with websites need content over and over and over again, sometimes daily, okay? So again, even if you have no idea what to do, how to run an online business, you can just use this piece of software to offer a simple service on Fiverr and start like this. Now, this is exactly how I got started, and just along the way, I just realized, hey, I'm doing this for other people, why not do this for myself, okay? But I was getting paid in the process, which is a huge thing. So right now, let's check out the sales page, okay? So as you can see, it says Max Profix Pro. Attention affiliate marketers, your struggle to earn more commissions ends here. Now get free, fully automated must-have software products for the price of one-click content, that's 1, traffic, that's 2, and funnels, that's 3, okay? And you can even sell these and keep 100% of the profits to yourself if you, again, know nothing about running an online business without ever creating a single software product or website yourself, okay? So I'm not going to go through the whole sales page right now. This product is released by Jason Fulton and Mosh Berry, 2 amazing marketers. So again, if you are interested in making money online, obviously you need traffic, you need content, you need affiliate sites, and you need funnels. So obviously you can use these software and make hundreds of dollars, if not thousands of dollars yourself. These guys are making hundreds of dollars, as you can see, every single day using these software. And again, Max Profix Pro, this is the name of the product, and you're going to be getting 3 separate softwares inside, okay? They got some testimonials as always. So you're going to be getting, you're going to be creating affiliate sites, which you can do for yourself or for other people. You're going to be automatically generating content. Again, you can do this for yourself or other people. Funnel builder, again, you can build a funnel for yourself or just sell it on Fiverr. And automatic traffic generation, and again, that's just another gig on Fiverr, or you can send the traffic wherever you want. So I got some proof, some more explanations about what it is. some bonuses. Obviously, you're gonna get my bonuses on top of whatever these guys will give you, and they will have a couple of prices. So as you can see, $27, that's one site license, and the agency license is $22. That will be the early bird discount. So you know, you are actually getting a license for agencies, which means that you can charge other people for using this software and for delivering, you know, these websites to them. Okay, 30 days money back guarantee, so no risk for you, and that's essentially it. Okay, so you can go through all of this in your own time, but essentially I wanted to show you the members area right now, but there's not one members area that you're gonna get. You're gonna get 3 different pieces of software, and these 3 pieces of software are, first of all, ProfixX Pro. Now this is a software that currently sells for, I believe, $27. So obviously you're getting the members area access to ProfixX Pro. The second one you're getting is AffiliX Pro. This is the members area right here, and the third one is ProfixX Pro. So again, you are getting 3 pieces of software for the price of one. Obviously you're getting all the video training, so as you can see, you know, I'm just going to show you one example. This is for ProfixX Pro. So you have to start here video, clickbank review sites in 50 seconds, the software case study, repurposed traffic from Facebook, 28K visitors per month from Pinterest case study. So you know, you just get the idea. You're gonna get video training with each and every single piece of this software. So again, you're getting 3 different pieces of software: ProfixX Pro, AffiliX Pro, and ProfixX Pro. Okay, so again, if you would like to buy these separately, you would have to spend at least $27 on each one, and you're getting all 3 plus my bonuses for the price of one. So right now in this video, I'm not going to show you any demos or, you know, anything related to it, but I have a full review and demo video already on my blog. So if you want to check it out, if you are on my blog, scroll all the way to the bottom of this post, and you're gonna find a link to my full ProfixX Pro review and my AffiliX Pro review. Okay, I don't have a review for ProfixX Pro, but you know, this is essentially the third piece of software, and I'm going to have a demo for it as well. So again, this is super simple. You're getting 3 pieces of software for the price of one. You can create content, you can generate traffic, and you can create websites. You can do this for yourself, obviously, for affiliate marketing, for selling your own products, your own services, or you can just go to Fiverr and set up a bunch of different gigs and sell simple services to other people. Other people essentially will tell you, okay, I need this, this, and this. You delivered it to them, and you are charging $100, $200, $300 per gig. Super simple. So right now, let's go through all of the upsells. So as I showed you, they're gonna have a couple of different options when it comes to the pricing, but $22 is what you're getting for the first 6 hours, and then a dime sale. So you're getting free, fully automated, must-have software products for the price of one. Again, one-click content plus traffic plus funnels. You can even sell these yourself and keep 100% of the profits. Okay, so you're getting a license for this included. Crazy low price. Now let's go through all of the upsells. And by the way, I'm going to have you know, all of this explained on my blog as well. So the first upsell is Max Profix Pro Unlimited Profits Edition. So you're essentially getting unlimited licenses. So you're getting a 10 site license with the main product. If you want unlimited sites, that's the first OTO, and it will be $97. So obviously you can pick this up immediately, you can pick this up later if you will need more sites. Obviously, if you're gonna start making money with it and you're gonna need like the 11th or 12th site, then you can pick this up, but you know, this is the first OTO that you can definitely consider. OTO number 2, we have 100x conversion booster. Now this will actually unlock some additional features. It's $67, and this will allow you to add your Facebook pixel to your money sites, premium SEO optimization on your sites, then countdown timers, exit pop-ups, and also social proof. So this makes these sites super powerful, even more powerful than they already are. Okay, so that's $67 OTO number 2. Audio number 3, done for you money sites, 297. So obviously you can create these sites yourself from scratch, or you can just grab 20 done for you already sites for $297. A little bit more expensive, but you can just sell them as they are immediately. So just one site like this, as you can see, you can sell it for $200 to $300 on Fiverr, and you're getting 20 done for you sites. Okay, that was audio number 3. Audio number 4, we got Max Profix Pro super traffic machine, $97. Now this is additional traffic. Obviously you're going to be getting tons of traffic just from these free content sites, free money sites. But if you want additional traffic, that's Max Profix Pro super traffic machine for $97. And then the last one, we have Max Profix Pro license rights for $197. Now this allows you to sell Max Profix Pro and all of the upsells as your own product and keep 100% of the profits to yourself. I'm promoting this as an affiliate. Obviously I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, that will be $197. And obviously you can make this money back and then some with just one sale. Okay, so these are the OTOs. Again, on my blog post I'm going to have the full breakdown. And right now let me show you all of my bonuses. Okay, so as I mentioned, the first 3 bonuses will be my own courses about making money on Fiverr and selling on Fiverr. Okay, so you will get these nowhere else but from myself, because these are my own W's of the Day awarded courses. Okay, no one else will give you these. And for me, this is the best way to start making money online. If you have no idea what you're doing and you want to use Max Profix Pro to make money as soon as possible, these are the courses that you need to go through and start implementing immediately. Okay, so Fiverr Income Secrets is my W's of the Day number 1. Then Fiverr Masterclass. This is advanced Fiverr training. Everything you need to know about making money on Fiverr, from creating an account to how to create your gig, how to optimize your gig, how to make more money with upsells. Everything you need is inside this course. Riser, another course of mine about making money on Fiverr and other platforms. So not only Fiverr, but a bunch of different platforms just like Fiverr. Then we're getting 3-step profit machines. These are all W's of the Day awarded courses. Quantum Profits, Piggyback Cash Machine, Fusion, Newbie Traffic Formula, and now I'm going to give you 12 money making plugins. You can use these on your Max Profix Pro sites or any other site, or you can even just give them away. So first, drag and drop page builder, then monthly salary generator. You're gonna get a case study, 700k free monthly visitors, auto blogger, auto tube, auto social traffic, early bird viral traffic plugin, viral list builder, animate anything plugin, course builder plugin, any form builder, and WP media to S3 plugin. Now that's 12 plugins, and on top of these I'm going to give you these 9 plugins and softwares. Okay, so Affiliate Advantage, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, WP Shortcode, CTA, Call to Action. Okay, so that's a total of 29 bonuses. Now what I'm giving to you right now is worth $725, and on top of this you're getting my mega bonus. Now my mega bonus, let me just show you exactly what this is. This is 45 plus W's of the Day and Product of the Day awarded courses. Okay, so all of these are worth $1,500. You can go through all of this in your own time, but that will be a total of $2,225. So you're getting my mega bonus and all of the bonuses that I just mentioned. And the bonuses that you really want to get are the first 3. And by the way, these are W's of the Day awarded courses, no longer available for sale. So if you want them, if you want like Fiverr Income Secrets or Fiverr Masterclass, you have to pick up Max Profix Pro through my link. I'm going to give you all of these bonuses for free, just as a thank you for picking up, again, Max Profix Pro today through my link. Now guys, again, as I already mentioned, I already made a full review of both TrafficX Pro and AffiliateX Pro, which are the 2 out of 3 softwares included in the Max Profix Pro package. So again, go through my whole Max Profix Pro review on my blog. As you can see, I'm gonna have the review video that I'm showing right now right here. All of my bonuses are listed right here. Then my mega bonus, you know, all of the products from the funnel with a little description. And then also on the bottom right here, I will have the links to the full reviews and demos of the products that are included. Okay, so just check out this whole thing. You know, my bonus is really taking this one step further. So if you're going to pick it up from my link to get all of the bonuses, especially the first 3 bonuses that will show you exactly how to start making money online today with this. If you have any questions, you can always leave me a comment on my YouTube video or on my blog. Please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. Leave me a comment again if you have any questions, and I will be seeing you on September 1st at 9 AM Eastern. This is when Max Profix Pro goes live, and make sure to show up for the early bird and grab it through my link if you want to get all of the bonuses. Ciao, see ya.